Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, January 18th. It is 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 15 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my time and sales over here, the E-mini S&P trading at 2266.50 or so. Before I begin today's video, first the required disclaimer. Okay, pretty good day for the auto trader today. First up, we have the crude oil on the 500 tick chart, and we had our first trade at about 11 a.m. and we had a pretty nice long here. We took our first contract off here at I think it's 20 ticks or so, 40 ticks. First target is 40 ticks. So our first target here, and then we got stopped out on the reversal. And then we had another short trade here, closing out at the session close right here, as you can see. And we did 940 for the day. That's pretty good. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the precision renko chart. And this did 1090 for the day. We can see the trades here. We had a little bit of a drawdown from the beginning of the session. Looks to be about $500. You can see we had a couple of losers right off the bat. We had two, a break even, and then a small loser there. But then at 11 o'clock, we came back with three really solid trades. We had this long position here, and then a short, and then another short into the 12:30 hour, giving us 1090 for the day on two contracts. Okay, the DAX coming through as usual. This doing 1025 on a single trade today. That put us in the market about 9:45 in the morning Eastern time, and then we were stopped out on this pullback. Once again, the crude oil on the Super Renko 6-tick using the BWT line break algorithm, and we had kind of a mixed bag of trades here, kind of slow going, not much drawdown, just kind of sideways movement, and then we finally took off late in the day, and we did 1050 for the day here with this pretty solid short trade towards the end here. This was good for about 80 ticks actually. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 34-second line break chart. And we had a mixture of trades here, but it came back strong later in the session with a really good long trade here followed by a short. We did have some small losers that jerked us around a little bit, but not much of a drawdown, only about $200 as you can see here, and then from there it was up to about $700 equity high, and then just a little pullback and then up again. And it looks like our equity high was $1,200 or so. We had a couple of losers at the end, but finishing at 900 for the day, that's still excellent. Okay, the Super Renko 6-tick that is not using the line break algorithm did 630 today on two contracts. It seems that the Super Renko 6-tick chart on the crude that uses the line break module is outperforming the regular crude. So this chart also caught these really nice long and short trade, which helped it end up on the plus side of the ledger today. Okay, next up is the Dow and the Super Renko 10-tick. This has been pretty consistent lately. Today it looks like we had a mixture of trades here, only doing 315 for the day, but still not a bad performance. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or feel free to shoot us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.